即將應考 DSE 嘅各位同學，你哋唔怕遇上神一般嘅對手，但係最怕遇上豬一般嘅隊友。喺呢一集入邊就會教大家點樣應付專用艱深英文同句構嘅走錯片場豬隊友。喺呢個時候就要把握發言機會，同大家分享嘅係3個 C 解決方法。第一個 C clarify 澄清。豬隊友嘅說話有啲嘅 keywords 大家可以捉到，可能你可以了解到大概佢哋想講啲乜。跟住啦，佢哋大概所講嘅說話你都要加以解釋，就係第二個步驟 connect。第3步我哋叫 contribute。我哋理解咗對方所講嘅說話之後，都要喺我哋嘅討論環節裏邊作出貢獻。提大家，貢獻唔一定係一個新嘅主意 new idea， 其實亦都可以係一啲例子，目的係將我哋嘅討論內容變得豐富。就俾大家實習一下，今次嘅題目係講緊社交媒體。如果你嘅豬隊友講咗以下呢番說話
I propound that the implementation of a categorical prohibition of social media utilization would be efficacious in ameliorating the deleterious ramifications on students' scholastic endeavors.
我哋3部曲，第一步試一試。第一步 clarify。 If I understand correctly, you are suggesting a complete ban on social media would improve students' academic results。第二個 C 就係 connect， 我哋會回應翻之前我哋預計豬隊友講嘅內容，再加以評價。例如今次我哋可以咁做 I agree that excessive social media use affects studies. Our school survey shows students spend 4 hours daily on these platforms. 第3個 C 就係 contribute， 我哋有講過，去回應翻對方說話之後，我哋得到嘅討論機會都需要有加以貢獻嘅地方。睇下今次我哋可以點做。However, I hesitate to support a total ban, as it might simply drive usage underground, just like what's happening in Australia, where the law bans the use of social media for those under 16. They have found creative ways to bypass the ban instead. Therefore, instead of pushing for a blanket ban that won't work, why not consider structured guidance? For instance, we could implement digital literacy workshops where students learn to use screen time apps to manage the usage effectively. 即使遇上用心字嘅豬隊友都好，用呢3個 C 嘅方法都可以將佢哋毫無意思嘅說話變得有意義。除咗內容有所增潤之外，其實大家都實踐緊 communication strategies， 因為大家都係幫助緊其他嘅同學去理解討論內容，亦都大家係幫手推進討論。你要多謝豬隊友俾機會大家去實踐 communication strategies 啦。